47 times 43 give you 2021. But how could you find this out without using a calculator? So you look at the first digit from here, multiply this digit by the number that comes right after it when you count. So after 4 comes 5 when you're counting. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then after that, you just take the ones digit from here and the ones digit from here, which is 7 times 3. And that gives you 21. So that's how we get to the 2021. We look at the 11 and we multiply the 11 by the number that comes right after it, which is the 12, which gives me 132. And then I take the 7 times 3 and multiply them, you get 21, and that's what you put right here. So in this condition right here, the tens digit, they have to be the same. So it's 3 and 3, 5 and 5, 4 and 4. Also, the ones digit, which is the first number from here and here, they have to add up to 10.